Hello friends, welcome to HR God. Today I am going to talk about this beautiful award-winning succulent called Echeveria ronioni. Leaves look as if they are positioned upside down, so this succulent is also known as topsy-turvy. This succulent is also called Mexican hens and chicks, and it is also known as silver spoon as its leaves look like silver spoon. You can grow this plant both indoor or outdoor. Hens and chicks succulent does very well in the place where it gets morning and late afternoon sunlight, especially during the hot summer. Do not keep this plant in a place where it receives direct afternoon sunlight. Excess heat may damage its delicate leaves. It is always better to provide shade during heat waves. If grown indoor, keep it in a north-facing window where it gets full sun. It needs bright light to maintain its color and shape. Most of the succulent does well where they get warm, dry and sunny location. Silver spoon succulent does not tolerate frost, so during frost keep this plant indoor. Use fast draining soil. This would be sandy soil with good drainage. I've used my succulent mix. If you want to know about succulent mix, I will provide the link in description box where I have explained clearly about the succulent mix. You can buy succulent mix from online also. Make sure that soil dries out between watering. Water it thoroughly until the water comes out of drainage hole. Overwatering results root rotting and fungal diseases. Make sure that all the extra water drains out from the potting mix. You need to water more in spring and summer and less in winter. Plant becomes so compact that for me it's difficult to water from the top. So what I do is I usually take a container bigger than this pot and I fill this container partially with water and water underneath from the bottom. I just pick up the plant like this. When I fill the plant very light, I water that time. This succulent is not a heavy feeder. You can feed during its growing period, that is spring and summer, with a dilute liquid fertilizer. I usually use NPK 19-19-19. Propagation is done from seed, stem cutting, leaf cutting or through offset. It is difficult to propagate from seed. Most easy is offset. This plant produces offset around the mother plant, so that is why it is also called hen and chicks plant. Just separate one of the offset and you can place it in moist soil, so after some time you will get new plant. To propagate from leaves or stem, cut the leaves or the stem and keep it in a dry for some time so the callus is formed, and then you can place it in moist soil. After some time new plants will be formed. Do not use big container. This plant becomes very compact and beautiful if you give small container for this plant. You don't need to repot it again and again as it does not grow very big. If you repot this plant, repot during the active growing time, that is spring. In spring or fall, the plant produce orange and yellow flowers. When you feel that plant is dirty and there are lots of dust settled on the leaves, you can wipe out the dust off with a damp cloth and remove any dead and dry leaf from the bottom of the plant to maintain the plant. Topsy-turvy or silver spoon or hens and chicks, whatever you say, this beautiful succulent can easily survive any change in environment. It's not that very picky. It is a perfect house plant. It is a plant which is impossible to kill. It is very easy to care plant. This can be a beautiful gift for your friends and family. And if you don't have this succulent, don't miss it. Get this succulent today itself. This gives a perfect look to your home and garden. This is it for today, friends. Take care of yourself. Keep gardening. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching HR Garden.